Traveling by train should be possible and easy for everyone. However, finding your way around the station poses a major challenge for people with visual impairments. Tactile guide strips make orientation easier, but they do not show the direct route. Important information is only provided on blue signs, which are not accessible to visually impaired people. That is why we developed Wegbegleitung, a digital assistant that uses artificial intelligence to capture signs via a smartphone camera and read out the specific information you are looking for. By providing the direction and platform number, you can change trains independently and continue your journey. Wegbegleitung can do even more. It also provides support where signs no longer offer sufficient guidance. Changed route guidance, signage, and finding buses pose an enormous challenge, especially in replacement transport, which is almost impossible for people with visual impairments to cope with without outside help. That's why Wegbegleitung offers the option of connecting directly with Deutsche Bahn employees and being guided safely through the station remotely. To do this, a video call is initiated and the live location is transmitted so that call center employees can safely guide the caller from the platform to the replacement transport using the transmitted camera image and live location. This gives travelers the reassuring feeling that they will receive reliable support at all times and will be safely accompanied even in unfamiliar situations or at unfamiliar stations. Both the camera image and the route appear on a map on the DB employee screen. DB employees provide information and ensure safety by using the camera image to identify signage and the spatial situation on site and compare it with the available map material. They can also draw attention to stairs and obstacles, thereby guiding the caller safely to the correct replacement bus. Wegbegleitung enables our blind and visually impaired passengers to travel independently and guides them safely to their destination. Let's make traveling more accessible together. If you would like to test or implement Wegbegleitung in your region, please get in touch.